There you go, Binky. There you go, Binky. There you go, Binky. Yoink. Yesterday's pants, today's attitude, know what I'm saying? Man, what's up everybody? It's your boy. I'm working on getting a setup down here. I would like to make some lights today. Notice right now it's kind of weird. I'm working on getting some area lighting down here. Really want to get a nice area with a nice backdrop set up. Trying to get up and going for the day. Just made my coffee. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. A few things I need to tackle today. I like to get the patio furniture set up. During the summer, I don't know about you guys, and I like to do that outdoor cooking. And when your boy is doing that outdoor cooking, I also like to eat my food outside. I like to get the patio furniture pressure washed. You guys can hang out for that. I've got an untrimmed bush. It's unmanaged, it's unruly. It's basically a big nasty bush, and your boy needs to cut that thing down. I've got an untrimmed bush. Cracked his homemade gimbal. Guess that is one upside to using dead tree carcasses. You can glue it back together. Gang. What's up, everybody? Let me look at that real quick. Don't play with that. I got shit in it. Almost made it. I've got an untrimmed bush. What's up, everybody? It was one of those days where every little thing got under my skin. I was able to get the patio furniture washed. Later on in the summer, we might build a deck, so that's something we can do together. Build your boy a big deck. I'm trying to get somebody out here to fix my windows and doors. One of those days. I've had a little bit of a rough day today. I've got an untrimmed bush. I'm gonna be all right. I'm talking about putting a podcast together. So basically the rundown is gonna be like this. I'm gonna have, I think, multiple playlists on my channel. So there's gonna be different types of content coming at you, right? Reaction videos, you know, watching somebody's content and reacting to it. So, you know, I'll probably make some of those videos. I got at least one untrimmed bush in me coming up because I told somebody I'd make one. Untrimmed bush. So I think you'll be able to go into the playlist and you'll be able to see different style videos. We'll have some podcasts, we'll have some reaction videos, we'll have the make your own shit series where I make things. Pieces of that will be featured in these videos, which will be the vlog. I've been thinking about it a lot, and I think that's kind of how I want the channel to be laid out, is that there'll be different content coming out weekly or bi-weekly, and maybe it'll be a reaction video, or maybe, you know, your boy will review a nice untrimmed bush. Every week there'll also be a vlog of the week to let you know what happened during that week. Per usual, man, don't forget to like, untrimmed bush, subscribe. If you guys got some content you'd like to see me add to that, let me know in the comments. 4 or 5 people have reached out to me. If you need to contact me, go into the comments here, or just go over to the discussion tab on my page and let's have a conversation there. I'm in the beginning of my channel. I really need to push you guys going into the comments because that discussion will help my channel grow. And also, it's a good way for me to get the information from you guys on what you want to see. So any ideas that you have, let me know so I could get them into those untrimmed bush. That's today's episode, man. Thanks for checking in. You know, if you guys got anything, let me know. Go ahead and like and subscribe.